Hello automotive enthusiast. 2026 BMW M5 Touring, the return of the high-performance luxury wagon. The automotive world keeps telling us wagons are dead. SUVs dominate sales. Crossovers dominate attention. And practicality supposedly killed performance excitement years ago. But BMW clearly disagrees. Because the BMW M5 Touring has officially returned. And honestly, this thing feels absolutely outrageous. A long-roof family wagon producing 727 horsepower. That sentence alone sounds completely absurd. But what makes the new M5 Touring fascinating isn't just the power. It's the engineering complexity hiding underneath it. At the center sits a twin-turbocharged V8 working together with sophisticated electric assistance. And this hybrid setup completely changes the personality of the car. The electric torque instantly fills low-end response gaps while the V8 delivers the brutal high-speed aggression M cars are famous for. The result? Acceleration that feels relentless for something this practical. Honestly? This wagon launches harder than many dedicated supercars from only a few years ago. But raw speed isn't the difficult part anymore. Managing all that weight, power, and hybrid complexity through corners is the real engineering challenge. That's where BMW's M xDrive system becomes critical. The all-wheel drive setup constantly shifts torque between axles with incredible precision, helping the M5 Touring feel dramatically more agile than its size suggests. And somehow, BMW still preserves that playful rear-biased personality enthusiasts expect from an M car. That balance matters. Because many modern performance hybrids feel clinically fast but emotionally disconnected. The M5 Touring still feels mechanical underneath the software. Then there's the cabin. And honestly, this is where the Touring becomes almost impossible to rationalize logically. Massive cargo space. Luxury technology everywhere. Comfort for long-distance travel. But also enough performance to embarrass exotic sports cars on the highway. That combination makes the M5 Touring feel deeply unique in today's market. Because this isn't just a fast wagon. It's a statement against compromise itself. Practicality without sacrificing aggression. Luxury without sacrificing driver engagement. Electrification without sacrificing character. And maybe that's why enthusiasts are so obsessed with performance wagons globally. Because they represent something rare. A vehicle engineered for people who refuse to choose between excitement and usefulness. And honestly, BMW may have just rebuilt the ultimate daily performance machine. So now the question becomes, can hybrid technology actually improve the soul of high-performance wagons? Or does electrification slowly dilute the raw emotional experience that made M cars legendary? Because after driving the 2026 M5 Touring, one thing becomes very clear. The era of the super wagon is far from over.